Are you wasting your advertising dollars on people who may not be your target audience? Well, we have a solution you need: an innovative geo-targeting technology known as geofencing marketing. Unlike conventional advertising, geofencing advertising allows you to target people based on their physical activities and the places they go. You can serve static banner or video ads directly to people in very precise locations, all the way down to the contours of buildings, such as competitor locations, stores, and even individual homes. This is how it works. When the location services on a mobile device or in a mobile app is turned on, our technology captures the device ID whenever a prospect walks into the virtual geofence we built. Once prospects are placed into our retargeting pool, we can serve your ads across hundreds of thousands of mobile apps and websites while those consumers are inside the geofence, and even up to 30 days or more after they left the geofence. The best part, through our conversion zone tracking technology, you can measure walk-in conversions, including those who walked into your physical location after seeing or clicking on your ads. You can use geofencing marketing for customer loyalty programs, competitor conquesting, event and conference targeting, and even layering some geofencing with connected over-the-top TV advertising campaigns. Geofencing marketing helps you drive more leads, elicit engagement, and improve your brand awareness. Make geofencing marketing part of your marketing strategy by contacting us today.